discussing about the chapter number 2, that is a fractions and a decimals. We have already completed exercise 2.1. So today I'll be doing the exercise 2.2, but before starting the exercise 2.2, there are some certain things that we should know. Okay, so this exercise 2.2 is mainly based on the multiplication of a fractions. So if you see in your book, there are some examples it is given there. Like for example, we have a rectangle, and the rectangle, suppose your value is given as, we have a rectangle, we know the area of a rectangle can be calculated by, this is a rectangle having suppose length and breadth. Length is suppose given as 5 and suppose your breadth is given as 6 centimeter. Okay, these are the two values given. We can easily calculate. So 5 centimeter into 6 centimeter we can do, we'll be directly getting the value of the area. Okay, so suppose if the value is not given in a form of integer, if it is given in a form of fraction, like suppose if it is given length is suppose 5 by 3 and suppose your breadth is given as suppose 4 by 3, how will you do it? The way of doing is the same, that is 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. But before doing, because these two are fraction, okay, these both are fraction, these are an improper fraction. So for calculating a fraction, and if you want to do multiplication, अगर fraction का multiplication करना है तो उसका rule हम लोग को जानना होगा कि उसमें rule क्या use होता है, ठीक है? It is the simple way, that is 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. But how to do it? Let us see with some more examples. So if you see in your book, we have some examples like, we have suppose a circle. There is a circle. There is one more circle. Okay, there are two circles are given, and these circles are suppose divided into 4 parts. It is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both are having the same 4 parts. Suppose if I consider that out of this 4 part in both the circle, if I make one portion as shaded, this is one portion as shaded, this is also one portion as shaded. So the left out portion you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Suppose, okay, if I want to represent this in form of a fraction, how can you write to see? Out of 4 total parts, how many fraction you have shaded? You have shaded a 1 part. So here you can write as 1 by 4. Similarly, here also one portion is shaded, the other 3 portion is not shaded. Total portion is how much? 4. So again I can write as 1 by 4. Clear? So what is the total shaded portion of both the circle? So for that, what we need to do? We need to add this 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Then you will be coming to know how much portion is being shaded in both the circle. Clear? This is one example. Now if I go to the second example, like again I'll be writing the value here 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Suppose if I again take a circle, this is one circle, this is the another circle, and suppose a circle is divided into 4 parts. This is also 4 parts. This whole circle I have not shaded any part. This is fully empty. This circle, what I have done, I have shaded into 2 portions. 2 portions I have shaded. So if you combine this above this 2, or if you combine this 2, what will the resultant value it will be? You see, this is 4, this is 0 by 4, this is will be 2 by 4. So this I can write, combining this I can directly draw as this as a 2 by 4. So if the above one, जो ऊपर में जो लिखा हुआ है जैसे 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, what does it means? This means that this is equals to 2 circles are there and 2 values are there, so it will be 2 into 1 by 4. Okay, that is 2 into 1 by 4. So what we can do, 2 into 1 by 4, remember that when we do a multiplication over a fraction, the integer should be multiplied with a numerator, not with a denominator. Denominator पे कुछ भी change नहीं करना है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, जो ये वाला जो number है, 2 into 1 by 4, you have to multiply with 2 into 1 divided by 4. Multiply with the numerator, not with the denominator. Remember that. Okay, so it will be 2 into 1 divided by 4. So the answer will be 2 by 4. Okay, so this is how we need to multiply a fraction. So some more examples, if I go on doing it, like suppose some more examples are there. Suppose we have this square. We have a square. Again the square is divided into 4 parts. We have one more square. Again the square is divided into 4 parts. So there are 4 parts is being divided. So suppose if I consider one more suppose if I consider one more square is there. One more square is there. Again if I divide into 4 parts. Of this 3 squares that I have drawn, suppose this is shaded, this is shaded, and like suppose this is shaded. So what I can write? For this I can write as 1 by 4. For this I can write as 1 by 4. For this I can write as 1 by 4 because one part is shaded. So how will you get a total? So it will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So this I can write, since 3 squares are there or 3 numbers are there, so it will be 3 into 1 by 4. So what I can write? Multiply with the numerator. Numerator is having 1, so 3 into 1 it will be 3. So it will be 3 by 4. Okay. The same way, if I go on doing some more examples, like example we have 2 by 3 into 5. What will be its number? 2 by 3 into 5. So 2 by 3 into 5. So you have to multiply 5 with the numerator. So 5 2s are 10. So it will be 10 by 3. This is an proper fraction. If I do an improper fraction, then what will happen? Suppose if I do 3 by 2 into 5. You do proper fraction, improper fraction. Remember that you should always multiply with the numerator. So it will be 5 into 3 divided by 2. So it will be 15 by 2. So this is how we have to do the multiplication of a fraction. Some more parts are left out for doing the multiplication of a fraction. That will be doing in the next class. So this much for today. Thank you.